everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will be discussing the DevOps roadmap which we can follow in 2026. So this DevOps roadmap can be followed whoever are trying to switch their domain to DevOps, or who are just starting, or who have started already and they are confused at what to do because there are so many things available. So just trying to make a roadmap to keep the things crisp and clear. So without further ado, let's go. So if we go by this DevOps roadmap, for a beginner, first we have to start with Linux basics, version control, like how to use GitHub, the Git commands, then the scripting like shell, Python. If we are going for shell scripting, then Python basic scripting, build tools like Maven, Gradle, and the npm, Python, okay, and networking basics. So that I've included in the following, in detail what all can be done or covered as a beginner level. So networking basics are very important. Okay. Then if we go intermediate level, we should understand the continuous integration, the CI part through Jenkins or through GitHub Action or Bitbucket, GitLab CI/CD. Then containerization part, Docker, configuration management, Ansible, or so this is Ansible you can keep for later on. It can be made optional, but little bit if you understand it, it will be helpful. Monitoring and logging, like what all tools we had using for monitoring and logging. If we go to advanced level, we should understand about cloud platforms. Pick any cloud, try to cover as major services of that cloud as possible. Try to do hands on. Then go for infrastructure as code. After trying, after learning the cloud platform, try to create it through code. Then CI/CD pipeline. So when I say CI/CD pipeline, so for CD we understand about, you can explore about Argo CD, Flux CD, how those tool works out. Okay. Then we understand about Kubernetes because Kubernetes is everywhere. So that we need to understand. We need to understand about Helm. We need to understand about, once that is done, bonus part you can understand about Istio, service mesh. Okay. Then if we go for expert level, then we go for DevSecOps, SRE, and advanced automation, like how to automate the DevOps creation, like DevOps pipeline creation, or anything which can be created. Like we can cover MLOps in that. Okay. Now, if we say in beginner level, the core concept, what is DevOps, what is software development lifecycle, the Linux basics, okay, then the networking basics, the version control, the scripting, this you should understand. Next, in intermediate level, we should understand about the CI/CD pipeline through any tool. Okay, try to first understand about CI. CD we can go further on. Then containerization, configuration management, you can keep it as optional. Monitoring basic like logs and matrices, tools. Advanced level, explore any one cloud and try to cover as many major services of that cloud. After manually doing it, try to automate it using Terraform. Then understand about Kubernetes. Then understand about multi-stage pipeline, blue-green deployment, canary releases. And in CI/CD advanced, you can also include Flux CD part, Argo CD part. Okay. In expert level, we should understand about the DevSecOps, like tools adding SonarQube, the scans, then SRE part, like what are incident management, disaster recovery, what are SLI, SLO, SLA, observability, platform engineering, like internal developer platform, self-service infra. Bonus will be if you have AI in DevOps, if you know about GitOps, if you know about FinOps, if you have knowledge about multi-cloud or hybrid cloud, and Kubernetes must. Like in Kubernetes, if you go for Helm, Istio, Service Mesh, and you go for other major services, that is best. If you are preparing for interviews, I would suggest watch mock interviews as much as you can. Try to take part also in mock interview if possible, but if not, try to watch mock interviews. Try to give mock interviews through ChatGPT or any AI tool you are comfortable in. So yeah, that's all. And let me know your views in comment section. So yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.